Oh, yo, do you guys see Speed by what do you call it? Huracan? I'm not gonna lie, bro. You guys will love this. You guys in the chat for sure. Where is it? For sure. It was a Ronaldo wrapped car, like just with the Portugal colors. This guy loves Ronaldo. I've never seen a bigger. I've never seen a bigger glazer. Happy for him though. This guy's like he's like 16, no chat. Pretty cool. Huracan Evil. That's pretty cool, bro. Speedy Gang on it too. I mean, ooh, a Bugatti. Yeah, pretty cool, bro. He bought a fucking wrapped it with Ronaldo colors.